Hi, my name is Emily Granger from Biggin and Scott Knox. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions in regards to this property or any of our other properties currently for sale, please give me a call on 0421 929 013. Thank you and have a great day.
Situated in one of Rowville's most desirable pockets, this superbly presented home offers the best in family living, proudly sitting on a fantastic allotment of approximately 622 square metres. The well-designed and functional floor plan offers a large formal lounge dining area and entertainer's kitchen overlooking the meals and family room, perfect for hosting guests and family. Downstairs, a huge master bedroom with full ensuite and walk-in robe and a study or fourth bedroom with loads of cupboard space, while upstairs has two large bedrooms with built-in robes, main bathroom and kids' retreat living area. Enjoy entertaining? This fantastic home comes fully equipped with a large covered outdoor entertaining area leading off from the kitchen meals area and overlooking the spacious and private rear yard with landscaped gardens, perfect for fun-filled days. Other features: gas ducted heating, split system air conditioning, security alarm system, fully fenced and double lock-up garage. Close to all amenities including schools, shops and transport is this fantastic family home. A must-see for anyone wanting a quality property in an unbeatable location. At Biggin and Scott Knox, we deliver.